Nothing is more frustrating than spending time and effort on promoting products and not getting any affiliate money. Choosing the right product to promote is the first step of being a successful affiliate marketer. And if you do it right, you can drastically improve your chances of earning a good affiliate income. In this video, you will learn the 5 steps to find profitable affiliate products which will increase your affiliate money. Hi, I'm Shamal. I create videos with actionable tips to grow your business with video. If you are new here, consider subscribing by clicking the red subscribe button below. This video is part 1 of a series I'm doing on using video for affiliate marketing. The next video will be how to create a video for affiliate marketing on YouTube, followed by how to get your video ranked on YouTube to get more views. The 4th video will be on places you can include your affiliate link on video. Usually people just add it to the description. But did you know that there are 6 places you can indicate your affiliate link? The final video of this series is about ways to promote your video so that you can get high conversion and get affiliate commissions. So make sure you subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon to get notified when these next videos are released. Let's get started with how to find the best affiliate products to promote. Before selecting or promoting affiliate products with video, it's very important that you understand who is your customer, what are the common problems they have, what they might be likely to buy. What's your YouTube channel niche? What topics do you create more videos on? Let's say your channel is about teaching people to learn guitar. Some people in the learn guitar market will be looking for free guitar sheet music. These people probably won't be interested in buying something from you. Others want to learn guitar fast so they can participate in an upcoming performance. These people are much more likely to want to buy something to help them achieve that goal. I'm going to use ClickBank to explain the next few characteristics. ClickBank is one of the largest and oldest online retailers and affiliate programs. Affiliates can promote physical and digital offers in a wide range of niches. I will create a future video for other affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, JVZoo and eBay. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. Okay, so how do you find products that sell well in ClickBank? Finding hot products on ClickBank is easy. Just head over to ClickBank Affiliate Marketplace and choose your product category. By default, the results are displayed by popularity. However, popularity doesn't necessarily mean sales and conversions. So on top of looking at popularity, sort out products by gravity. This measures how unique affiliates have successfully sold the product within the last 12 weeks. If no one is buying the product in the first place, you're wasting your time. What's the percentage of commissions they are paying? Do they offer high-ticket products? What about recurring monthly payments? Is it going to be financially viable for you to spend time promoting the product? Or is there something similar that pays higher commissions? The first thing you want to pay attention to is the average amount of money per sale. This is not how much the product costs. This is how much an affiliate makes on an average. When you look at the stats line, this basically drills that down into a little bit more detail. Then there is a rebill feature you need to look at. Basically, they buy the product and then there's an add-on or another option for that person to sign up to some membership site. And that's how much money they make on average from the rebill. If you average everything together, this is how much you as an affiliate will make with everything considered. The average percentage per sale is the average commission that you make. Typically, the average percentage for a sale and the average percentage for a rebill is exactly the same. Before you commit yourself to promoting a certain product, first go through the vendor's website. Does it look convincing? Does it address the concerns of the market? Is it persuasive and credible? Or does it sound over the top and unbelievable? Would you buy from the site that looked like that? As an example, let's look at a recent product I bought to learn more about affiliate marketing. ClickBank University 2.0 is an online course which helps both vendors and affiliate marketers utilize ClickBank better and make money online. The link is in the description. For full transparency, it is my affiliate link. So what made me buy this? Once upon a time, I was someone who was struggling to make affiliate commissions with ClickBank. I wanted to figure out what I was doing wrong and learn what I can do to get more sales. Second thing is I have a 9-to-5 job. YouTube and affiliate marketing is something I do a few hours each week. The step-by-step nature of the training made it easy to consume and follow along. It worked well with my schedule. The third reason was the price. I was able to cover the cost of the product by just 3 affiliate sales. The training is created by 2 well-known industry-leading guys, Adam and Justin. They have earned millions of affiliate commissions over the years, so they know what they're talking about. The fifth and final thing that made me buy was the refund policy. If I didn't like this product, I was able to get my money back within 30 days. So in a nutshell, those are the 5 main reasons that made me invest in ClickBank University. Okay, going back to our 5th step on finding good affiliate products to promote. Look for longevity. A high-ticket item may give you a large commission payout startup. But if it's a one-time sale, then that's all you're going to be getting. Instead, seek out products that serve the customer on a long-term basis. I'm talking about rebills. These are recurring commissions that will go to your account every month for as long as the customer continues making payments. Now, this is true passive income. You can make one sale, then months and even years down the line, you can still be profiting from that initial sale without having to do anything. So to summarize, the most important thing to see whether or not it's something your audience would like, and then you want to check out the sales page and the product to make sure that it's legit. The various commission structures available with affiliate marketing enable you to create diversified income streams in your online business. Focusing on recurring as well as high-ticket commissions puts you in the best position to build a widely profitable affiliate marketing business. If you have any questions for me, leave in the comments below. I will reply. If you learned something new, give this video a like. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for another useful video next Saturday.